right, so for commas, right, so first of all, we have this little phrase, comma off in the front. It's not underlined, and it's just like an intro comma, so I would cross it off so you're not even thinking about it, right? So answer choice A would be if we put this professor stated in a set of commas, so let's see if we can just cross that off. And if I said one of the most critical aspects of a research study is the initial data collection, that doesn't make sense, so we can't just put commas around this just professor stated, so A's wrong. But answer choice B would be putting commas around all of this, right? And then we'd have one of the most critical aspects of a research study is the initial data collection. And B sounds really good, right? Because it means we would take this, like the professor stated, out, right? And what's happening really is that your subject, right, is here, one of the most critical aspects of a research study. Your verb is here, is, and then you're having this, like the professor stated, in interrupting commas around. So answer choice B. So it is answer choice B, but just to disprove, just to disprove C and D, right? So if you picked C or D, we would have answer choice C would just be putting a comma right in front of your verb here, right? And if you just have one comma, it needs to be IC-DC or DC-IC, right? Independent clause dependent, dependent, independent. And if you put just one comma right in front of your verb, you'd have the subject here and your verb here, and you would never have an independent clause. So C would be wrong. And answer choice D also, you would never have an independent clause, because then you would have one of the most critical aspects of a research study on one side, and the professor stated is the initial data collection. Neither of those would be independent, so answer choice B, where you just have this in a set of commas and you could cross it off.